Hello my dear friends. So in this video let us look at the poem number 4 which has the title A Thing of Beauty and written by John Keats. Actually John Keats is a British romantic poet who has started his career to be a surgeon, who has got the training in the surgeon career, but finally he decided some age, एक ऐसी एज आई जहाँ पे उसने ये डिसाइड कर लिया that now I wanted to give my whole to the poetry only. So he just plunged into the literature. वो कहाँ चले गए literature में. Totally career was changed and finally he has given many beautiful poems from which we have here a thing of beauty which shows the beauty of the nature. जिसमें बताया गया है कि nature की beauty जो है वो क्या है actually. So let us start which beauty he is talking about in this poem. This poem has given us the many things might be we cannot know about the earth, about the beauty of the nature. So let us start the poem number 4 in which we have given the many beautiful things. Let us see what he has given to us and what he wants to tell us about the beauty. A thing of beauty is a joy forever, obviously. Thing of beauty that always give us a happiness. Whenever you are with the nature, definitely you will get the happiness where you can get the peace. जहाँ पे आपको शांति मिलती है. That never comes to an end. जो शांति कभी खत्म नहीं होती है. Its loveliness increases. Obviously, nature's beauty never decreases. It always increases. But by some of the human activity might be in today's life we have ruined the beauty of nature. It will never pass into nothingness. Obviously, beauty will never comes to an end. But will keep a bower quiet for us and a slip full of sweet dreams. See the beauty which gave us the sweet dreams. Many of the places on the earth that gives us beautiful scenario that looks too good. We like to be with that nature and that give us the sweet dreams. जिससे हमें अच्छे dreams भी मिलते हैं. And health also. And quiet breathing where we can get our healthy atmosphere, where we can get the sweet dreams, where we can get the clean breathing. And thus, therefore, on every morrow, here morrow means tomorrow. Here morrow means actually a tomorrow. So every next morning we are waiting for the nature laughing. In the every morning you can see the green trees, young, whatever the old, young है या old trees है या plants है. They are very happy in the morning. So the morrow are we waiting a flowery band to bind us to the earth. Here poet talked about that the people who are binding a flower को एक दूसरे के साथ जोड़ के वो क्या बनाते हैं? A garland, एक माला जैसा बनाते हैं through which they can connect to the nature or earth, जिससे वो connected रह सकते हैं earth से. And thus, spite of despondence of the inhuman death of noble nature of gloomy days. In this line, poet want to tell us that in spite of despondence, underline the word despondence. It means a sadness. So nature always makes us happy. We cannot see sadness in the nature. But poet just want to tell us about the sadness. That in spite of sadness, we will get the happiness through the nature. And in human death of noble nature of gloomy days, we all want to live on the earth. We all want to enjoy the beauty of the nature. But by our activity we ruin the nature's beauty. कोई ऐसी activity है humans inhuman activity which makes the nature totally ruined. जिससे nature कैसा हो गया? Totally ruined. But with these gloomy days, आज के जो days है, gloomy means sad days. We will get the sad days through our एक्टिविटी, हमारी एक्टिविटी कुछ ऐसी है जिससे आज हमें ये डेज देखने को मिल रहे हैं. We can't see the beauty of nature. Of all the unhealthy and over-darkened ways made for our searching, yes, in spite of all, some shape of beauty moves away the pall from our dark spirits. Obviously, unhealthy nature we will get today. All we are doing the activity which ruined the nature. ऐसी एक्टिविटी जिससे नेचर आज खत्म हो रहा है. But still we want to live on the earth. तो भी हम रहना चाहते हैं. We do not want death. हमें death नहीं चाहिए. Our activities are totally makes the nature ugly. आज हम जो कर रहे हैं नेचर के साथ, obviously nature will take revenge to us. Nature भी revenge ले रहा है. So through the over darkened ways means we want to survive on the earth whether it is right way or wrong way. अच्छा करके भी जीना चाहते हैं या फिर कोई बुरा करके, but we don't want death. Death किसी को नहीं चाहिए. So some shape of beauty moves away the pall. Many of the beauty of the nature is now moving away. हमसे दूर जा रहे हैं. And from our dark spirit, such the sun. Like beauty here you have given of the nature. Which beauty you have given here? You have mentioned in the last two lines. Sun, moon. Next is trees. Next is you have given here that daffodils flower means plants. See, likewise you have given the beauty of the nature. Like sun is a beautiful thing of the nature, moon, trees, daffodils, flowers, and green world also. Here you have given the reels also. Reels means streams. In short, natural scene. Whatever the things in a natural scene, that all are the beautiful things of ours. But we are not take care of that thing. हम उसका ख्याल नहीं रखते. So here you have given that such the sun, moon, trees. Whether the trees are old or young. Trees old है या फिर young है, but it is a beautiful thing of the nature. Sprouting shady bone, that trees gives us shade. Two means for simple sheep. यहाँ पे आपको दिया है that the sheep get the shelter under the tree also. Such are daffodils. Daffodils are the flowers which looks very beautiful. With the green world they live in. Green world means nature. Greenery we can see on the earth. Clear reveals that for themselves a cooling cover to make gains the hot season. Obviously in the hot season we will get the coolness through the trees only. Tree has given us the cool thing to us. Other than today's temperature, you can understand that through the human activity we will get the high temperature daily basis. Daily basis में high temperature ही मिलता है. But the mild forest break rich with a sprinkling of fair musk rose bloom. Where we can see the plants which is moving here and there. Means here you have given the example of musk rose bloom. Means rose flower which smelling very beautiful. जिसकी smell बहुत अच्छी है. Which looks beautiful, which makes earth a beautiful thing, जो earth पे एक अच्छी चीज बनाता है. And such too is a grandeur of the domes. Domes means here death. Here domes means death. And here you have given that roses are the beautiful thing of the nature. And such too is a grandeur of domes we have imagined for mighty day. Why we are thinking about ourselves? क्यों हम हमारे बारे में ही सोच रहे हैं? We have to think about nature also. हमें nature के बारे में भी सोचना है. Because nature gives us our lives. एक nature ही ऐसी चीज है जो हमें हमारी life return करता है. But in today's world, now many of the people can understand what is actually a nature and we have to save the nature. But might be 50% of the people still today they are doing things through which the nature will comes to an end. All the lovely tales that we have heard or read. Here you have given one more important example in this line, last fourth line. We have imagined for mighty deed. Here mighty deed means we can say that here they are talking about soldiers who are paying their duty on the borders to save our country, to save our land. हमारी लैंड को बचाने के लिए जो अपनी ड्यूटीज पे करते हैं, they are paying their attention over there for the 24 hours. So here the soldiers are paying their duties over there and they are just save the land of our country. And where we can see that we can even not imagine about their lives. They are making or they are save our lives. All lovely tales that we had heard or read. We are just read or heard the story about the soldiers. We are not the people who can think about their life even. हम सोच भी नहीं सकते वैसी लाइफ को पास करते वहाँ पे. An endless fountain of immortal rain pouring unto us from the heavens bring. This is the thing that will never come to an end. ये जो beautiful thing है nature की, it is look like a fountain. जो हमेशा फाउंटेन जो है वो चलता रहता है, हमें ये सारी चीजें मिलती रहती है. So it is look like a fountain of immortal drink. Immortal drink means the drink through which we can never get the death. एक ऐसी चीज हम अमृत कह सकते हैं उसको कि वो पीने से हम अमर हो जाते हैं. So this is the thing means fountain means nature of beauty. This is the thing that never will decrease, जो कभी decrease नहीं होती है. Pouring unto us from the heavens rain that give us to the heaven. वो हमें कहाँ रखता है? Heaven में. Whatever the thing, natural scene, जैसे लेह लद्दाख, the beautiful scene scenario over there, you are just feeling that you are in heaven. आपको ऐसा feel होता है कि आप heaven में हो. So this is the thing. But bring here the word at last you have given drink. Drink means corner. So the thing means of beauty of nature that will keep us, that will put us in the corner of the heaven. वो हमें वहाँ तक ले जाता है. So this is the thing about this poem which given by John Keats. कि वो चीज़ है जो John Keats ने हमें दी है, who has given us the many things we are having that looks beauty of nature. जो एक चीज़ बताता है, जो दिखता है कि ये beauty of nature है. And that beauty of nature we have to protect. हमें उसको protect करना है. That's it. This is the poem. Thank you.